How to create high-quality TIFF images from a PDF file. When converting PDF to TIFF, it all comes down to balancing the quality of the results and the file size in order to get the image that best meets your needs. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add Profile. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it PDF Conversion and enter a description such as used when converting from PDF to TIFF. The output type is already set to TIFF multi-paged, which is what we want. To get the quality of output you want and also keep the file size as small as possible during PDF to TIFF conversion, the resolution of the TIFF image needs to be set to 120 dpi. This resolution is the closest match to the screen resolution Adobe uses to display the text, meaning the created image will be the closest possible match to how the PDF looks when viewed in Adobe. The other issue affecting file size is the necessity of keeping the color in the image. To keep the color but minimize the size of the file, we recommend the color reduction option Reduce to Optimal Palette, which is the default setting. This option works on a page-by-page basis and reduces the colors needed to store the image without affecting the quality of the image. If your original PDF file is only text, then Reduce to Optimal Palette will only keep the colors black and white. If this is the case, you can experiment with the dithering methods. The default is Burke's, but halftone and Floyd Steinberg are also alternative options. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select your custom profile, PDF Conversion, as the default profile. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Save your changes. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Open your PDF file in Adobe Reader or any other PDF viewer software that you can print PDF files with. Select File, Print. Select the TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. We have now made a high-quality TIFF image while minimizing the file size. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.